Welcome to the Green Office Partner Training. Today I'm going to show you some common functionalities within the Copy app. To get into the Copy app, you simply go to User Interface and click on Copy. From here you would choose how many copies you want to make. We'll choose 10. Then you can choose, do you want it in color or black and white? We'll go color, we'll leave it on color for now. Do you want it one-sided or two-sided? Or you can go 2 to 1. We'll go 2 to 2. Finishing capabilities, if you want your document stapled, you can also choose if you want it landscape or portrait and how many staples you would like. The original size is great for any of your documents that are a smaller size than normal. So for example, if you see the custom size, you can actually say which area. So if it's a small 4x5, you can choose the different sizes within this. Press OK. Once you're done using the machine, before you walk away, it's always good to hit the reset button. Why this is helpful, so for the next person that's coming up to use the machine, it's starting fresh for them. So you simply hit reset all.